Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Alright, could you give me your name and what everything in here real quick first?
So my name is Mike.
Uh-oh.
Oh, sorry.
There we go.
So my name is Mike. I got a Skardown 15 on an 8K.
Okay.
I got two 1200 by 4s, one per door, an 800 by 4 running the mids and highs, 40 amp hours of lithium, stock alternator.
Okay. Alright.
Last time I metered it was just like for shits and giggles. We did a 146.7 at low power.
Okay. So would you consider this a ported box or a 6th order?
It acts like a 6th order, but it's a ported box.
Okay. Very nice. Were you, I'm guessing you started with the seats in and then you took the seats out?
Yeah,
and it was louder?
the box had no room for the amps in the back. Plus,
Okay.
you know, I really don't drive this car much anymore, so.
Looks really good back there too.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Is a lot of windows up or down?
Yeah, it's probably down.
Okay.
You're amazing. Most importantly, you're a queen.
Going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a mic system he showcased at the Made of Steel show in 2021. This was at Tampa, Florida area for the location. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment what you like about his system. Pretty unique style box to have a staging amplifier rack with pretty much a square block for where you can view the subwoofer and allow for all the pressure from the trunk to come out. It's pretty impressive to see how loud a single sub got inside of this trunk. If you notice the way he has his amplifier rack, you can see he has his subwoofer amplifier on the left, his DSP on the right, and the Stetson 4-channel amplifier underneath the DSP. So really balance of music and subwoofer bass. When I got this demo, I could tell a good balance. The distortion of the sub did not really overrule the speakers you'll see. And the way the beauty panel is in the back of this BMW, you can see into the box. Nice little logo to the box as well. I don't know who actually built the box, but it was a really nice install. And if you notice the way the subwoofer was mounted, underneath the magnet, you can see it had a little support system because of how heavy the magnet was. The subwoofer had Skardown on it, but I'm pretty sure this is a Sundown subwoofer, and he took the sticker off the cone and made it work like it is. Wish I would have found out what it was tuned to, but by the music response of the demo, it sounded like it was around 32 to 34 hertz range on the tuning. Didn't find out the peak as well. Try to get all the information I can, but I always can't miss everything sometimes. So we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day on YouTube JacobViral, and enjoy this demo.
Bottles in a bucket full of ice, yeah. But I made home, hit a Lambo, celebrate. You better believe that I'm a snapper, yeah. You know I'm about to take you from your man and celebrate. Double root, that artificial. Bad bitch. Yeah, they plugged in my channel. They come price for me, please. Spin with the lights bounce off my shine. Lights with your eye on my level. Flexing like I've been a bit in jail forever. All these bitches got me brain damage. Drop all these big bags coming once like non-stop. Burns up top so I can't even hide. Flexing like I've been a bit in jail forever. All these bitches got me brain damage. I'm sick of bitch. Let it shop till she drop all these big bags coming once like non-stop. Burns up top so I can't even hide.
Awesome, thank you. Have a good day, man. Thanks for the demo. Nice doors, too. Woo.